Drivin Ivan here with what I think is the perfect Porsche collection. These are 4 out of 5 of my Porsches. I have my 928, 1978 5-speed manual. Not here right now, unfortunately, but starting on the left, 1970 Porsche 914 Superbird, sort of a adaptation of the original car. Body kit, not exactly sure, it's a vintage body kit though. And then we have my 1982 911 SC Targa next to my other 911, 2000 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 Cabriolet, all-wheel drive, and then the Tiptronic 986 Boxster, also from 2000. So these cars right here, well, they are identical from the windshield forward, actually. Kind of interesting. And yeah, there you can kind of see it. They were basically not loved because of these teardrop headlights. I've modified mine slightly. It's got these cool kind of blacked out versions. But yes, the fried egg headlights here, not like the traditional round Porsche 911 headlights. And here we go on down the line here, the Superbird 911. Check it out. Show you the insides too, of course. Bentley stitching, also a bit of improv there on the car, but pretty close to stock looking anyway, except outside here where you have these flying buttresses. And yeah, a little different there. But here we go onto the 911 SC Targa. White gauges, white leather interior with blue piping. Yes, I did that. Started out with blue leather, but I really like this look actually. And so I did the interior that way. Love it. 996, all set for winter. Got the hard top on. And yeah, it's got gray interior with the full wood package, which is kind of rare. And of course, 4-seater. The 911s have those fold down rear seats, as does this one too. And slightly wider for the all-wheel drive Carrera 4. Of course, Carrera 2 means that it is rear-wheel drive, and I actually like the balance between this one. I already have the air-cooled rear-wheel drive, so to me, this one with the all-wheel drive, so much grip, just incredible. Doesn't matter what the weather is, just brake, turn in, smash the throttle towards the apex, and off you go. Grip is absolutely incredible, as it is in this 911. I just posted a video on my TikTok of me going up the mountain here in this car. Wow, is it good. Just amazing. And the steering in these Porsche 911s, unlike any other car, maybe my Lotus Europa too, but just an incredible steering feel. You know what the rear is doing, you know what the front wheels are doing, and you know where you are in terms of traction. I do have the original Fuchs wheels, but these grip so much better. The turbo twists, excellent handling car, and yeah, that's important to me. This one too, amazing. Even this one has the same steering feel. A lot of 911 parts in this 914, and it does have the same steering feel. Now, the 928 that's not here kind of rounds out the group, and that is, you know, the German Corvette. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, 5-speed manual. Also a dog leg shift like this 914 here, meaning first gear is over here and back, and reverse is forward. So yes, just like the 928, very cool. And yeah, I love my Porsche collection. I think Porsches are the best all-around sports cars. They really do test these cars in extreme cold, extreme heat, and as I have done with these cars, you can drive them to the track, drive them on the track, and then pop the top down and drive home and stop for a nice meal on the way home. I mean, they're just incredible cars. Love my Porsches, love all my cars. And if you want to know what I drive, just search "What does Drivin Ivan drive" on YouTube, and there's a music video, and an earlier video also where I talk. But the music video is the more recent one. I do have a lot of cars, a couple Lotuses, and really so many more I can't even tell you. But yes, Porsche, there is no substitute. Here we are. Tiptronic on purpose, yes, because not every car needs to be a manual, I don't think. I have enough manual cars. Sometimes I appreciate the automatic transmission. Check out my Maserati Spider Cambio Corsa. I tell you how to drive the Cambio Corsa, and also do a buyer's guide on the Maserati Spider. So that's another video you want to watch. But also check out my 928 review to see that one. And had an earlier automatic 928. I also had a 964, and I've reviewed the 911E, 1971, and 912, 997, 991, 992 on the track. Check those out. So yes, I've driven a lot of cars and a lot of Porsches, and I just simply love them. That's why I have 5 of them, 4 of them here. So there you go. Search Drivin Ivan in any car. Listen to my podcast, Car Capers and What Makes a Car Special, with another one coming soon. Disc golf. Check out my disc golf videos, my music video for Free Your Mind, an original song that has a lot of my car collection in it as well. And also my literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. Check that one out too. That's really nice. And I hope you've enjoyed this. Smash that like button for me, won't you? Thanks for watching this episode where I go through my Porsche collection. I'm Drivin Ivan.